mwaga na roboti rwa senchira yubo ikana tugusika bosyo mwanchumu rigereria matukabwango iga nigo erombe yalinda Mwananchi ya rokandire gutwara chinguru na kungusa umugando monene wa abantu ase gento keirire bona barai au wesokia na kuraria hase batene inige siasa hane mono kurwa sorogongo rwa GUSII egati yekiama ya Jubilee nerombe eyo nigo bono yokoria ekirugo kyobo jumbe hasense mo ibunge ya Nyaribari chache Dr. Joseph BIRUNDU aesokire na batebuna orogongo rwa GUSII nigo rore maga ya Dr. MATIANG'I wetera sekiama ya Jubilee na kuboria ba GUSII komubwata sia asegangeyo yae
nokonya kurigelinga which way after linda Mwananchi ero na Jubilee ero nga baraya abande nga imugo chikotenena because some of us we were seen in sikambie chichonsibere entonda batebi esabane moto torochi na andikiro monto tebire mwaka ogocho 2027 one term. Yes. Kero watebire one term esabali onye linda Mwananchi gego teba one term na hinduga iga se Jubilee one term tole bono igese direction ya motorochi lakini asomu GUSII yabeta intunto bwati amangana ekeombe to manyetene ekemo Jubilee nande erida yekeombe kinamanyire nande nerekero montakire keranya nero sabanere itubwate so in regard to walibande na baromba chagete kurigeri before totara ke wiki the last one week na gento and linda Mwananchi nja renge party linda Mwananchi nja bwate presidential candidate we were all one facing one direction. I think even our leaders ya abandi bali linda Mwananchi they are also trying to see how best will they serve interest yomo GUSII under Fred Okengo Matiang'I na andenga kiba kwenda kwa advance their disputes jire ODM wase bale vuguvuguekulinda Mwananchi. So in a confusion to you saw linda Mwananchi was with our presidential candidate and at the same time Mbata alirete Kalonzo. At the same time I think I'm told they are going to Wamunyoro. So we are one people, we are facing one direction. The only difference is that igega GUSII linda Mwananchi tirigocha go field kanta no NDCP no Kalonzo engaki etobwate ya 2027 onde bwensi pino no winiti ko ruipa uno MC onega iga omojumbe obiri na abande 2027 it's either you are in Jubilee or so tokanye 2032 for a candidate to go support candidate to go support chikura jiomo GUSII 2027 je libante bonsi bibakoligie birogo ebikali echikale ko chaka March to April na litogo chikokole ende ko nominations jikura ja nomination jikwera onde mwensi pitogo chigwetia and we are asking our leaders and because these are meetings we are trying to put it together even IBC cheto college nomination cheto and that is I think one of the things that has been already agreed upon
ebintu biri bya bete to kurwani wali muchito kyombu lakini ngwira ninganya sawi to ngambia na ndembia mono ombwerere na bere ginko bwena ngwira ni abantu baitu ba kyombu twensi pito twebekamo ekera to chikwenda so bochori bobule 2027 na ndento to chikorora ebintu buna biri bya korekana to muchito kyombu na abantu baitu bakoenda muchu Nairobi to kubasabekera mo ikiro muchito kyombu tenena boniga bintu kende byonsi mbiyo mwaro mwana minto ulitoko support kurwe GUSII serira balitu lya GUSII mwana minto Fred Matiang'I akubwatira no mwana minto otsomo chito Nyaribari chacho mwana minto BIRUNDU Dr. BIRUNDU minto Mia to kubasabera abanyaribari ba minto to chamo na ndaba bantu ba minto